What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another beat breakdown. As you can see by the title, we're doing a Carson experiment type beat. So if you haven't already, comment, like, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. That way these videos get shown to the right people. And we're going to go ahead and hop right on into it and just get started. So let's get into FL Studio. All right, so we're in FL Studio. We're on pattern mode. Let's go through the first pattern. We've got a piano, pad, bell, and a lead. Pretty simple setup. And this is what we've got. So let's go for this first sound. We're in 150 BPM. You just want to make some type of like fast, very melodic kind of sound, eerie kind of sounding piano to start with. Then I layered that with the pad, and this pad is actually from Expand. And let's go ahead and hear what these two sound together. Alright, pretty cool, pretty ambient, pretty melodic, kind of different. Then we went ahead and added a bell, and I've got some effects on all of this stuff too, so we'll go through the effects as well. Our fourth and final melody, which is a lead. This lead is coming from Expand as well. And let's go ahead and listen to the full melody all together. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different effects that I have on here. So we have on channel rack 1 is just an EQ and the convolver. Channel rack 2, another EQ convolver, but this time we have shaper box on there. Do we have shaper box on the other one? No. Oh well, we do have shaper box on the first one. My bad, guys. I forgot to mention that. And then on the third one, we just have an EQ and no convolver. And let's just go ahead and add the drums in here. Turn everything else off, and then we'll play all the drums at once. And I have two 808 patterns, so this is the first 808 pattern. Drums, it's got the hi-hat going all the way through. Clap is something simple. We got our snares with some rolls in there, nothing spectacular. Got our other snare with another little snare roll at the end. Open hi-hat, and then the first 808 pattern. And then we got our second one. I'll let you guys hear. And now we'll play everything all at one time so you guys can hear what everything sounds like. And then we'll just go ahead and play the beat. So let's go ahead and knock out the full beat, let you guys take a listen to it, and we'll go from there. If you haven't already, like I say, always comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show some love to the channel. That way these videos get pushed out to the right people. Let's go ahead and switch over to song mode. Start from the top. Let's go.
This is my line beat.
We gotta turn everything on.
This is my line beat.
And let's start from the top and go from there.
This is my line beat.
guys, that is it. We want to keep these videos short, sweet, and simple. If you haven't already, like I always say, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show the love to the channel, and drop it in the comment section if you think I hit the nail on the head as far as a King Carson type beat. Let me know if you want to see other tutorials like this or any other type of beats, and yeah, we will go from there. So yeah, we'll be back next week. Peace.